Destructuring can be applied on both object and also the array. For example, we have the object person, which contains the first name, last name, age, and also eye color. We can type the syntax like this, and then we can then use the first name directly. And as you can see, it already popped out Alan. And if we want to also get the age, then we can add the age here. Also, it will pop up in the result. The advantage of this is we do not need to use person.age. You can use the age directly, because sometimes the object is a nested object, so you have to dot in order to get the value. By using the destructuring, you can now use the variable directly. Now let's take a look on the array. If we have the array of 1 and 2, we can use A and B to get the values. For example, if we just want to have the first value, we can use console.log A and already get the first value of the array. And if we have a very long array, we can just use the spread operator and then type the variable. Now you can get the value of the remaining element. Now if you just want to get the third value of the array, actually you do not need to type A and B in front of this. You can just leave the space, and then we can also get the third value, which is 3. So this is how to destructuring in array and also in the object.